Morning student. Here we are going to solve one numerical problem related to potentiometer. Here we have the potentiometer of battery 2 volt and a series resistance of 15 ohm, and the wire of potentiometer has a resistance of 10 ohm. 10 ohm. This wire AV resistance of RAV is 10 ohm, or length of AV is 1 meter. It is given in this. Okay, 1 meter, or you can take it 100 centimeter. So what we are going to find out, potential gradient means this potential drop per centimeter on this wire, and second thing is the balancing length. Okay, so we will split this potentiometer into two circuit. One is this secondary circuit, this is the primary circuit. In the at null point, no current of this cell come to in downward circuit. It flows like this, it come back to same cell. Okay, and current of this cell will from this cell, okay, will go this way and it will come back here. So current of this cell will only flow in this circuit or of this, because whatever potential here, that will the same here. No current will come here and no current will pass through here, right? So first of all we write calculation in potentiometer circuit, in primary circuit. Although this is not the standard terminology, here I take. So this is cell, okay, and it is its resistance. This is of 15 ohm. It is of 2 volt, or its resistance is 10 ohm. So what will be the current? Current will be equal to E upon R plus RAB. So E is 2 upon its internal resistance is 0, or this resistance is 15, or resistance of this wire is 10. So it comes out to be 2 upon 25. The resistance is 10, it is 15, 2 upon 25, right? Now what will be the, now we are going to find out the potential drop, potential gradient. So we want the potential drop across the wire. So now VAB is equal to I into RAB. So now what is I? I is 2 by 25, or what is this resistance? This resistance is 10 ohm. So it will be equal to 4 by 5. It is 20 by 25 after. So this is this much of volt. So this is the voltage drop on the wire of potentiometer. Now what is the potential gradient? Now potential gradient, okay, is equal to VAB upon LAB. Potential gradient K is equal to. So what is VAB? This is 4 by 5, or L is 100. You can take 1 meter. So it will be equal to 4 by 5 volt per meter, right? So this is the potential gradient, right? Now this is the first answer of the first part, right? Now potential, we want VAJ, because in balancing length at balance point we will require VAJ. While solving the problem of the potentiometer, there is only one point you can solve any difficult numerical problem. You equate, suppose this point, the voltage of this point is C and this is D. So you equate the terminal voltage of cell is equal to balancing voltage across the balancing length. Okay, so this is the voltage across the balancing length is OA. So V is equal to K into L. What is K? 4 by 5. Or what is L? What is L? L is to find out. We don't know the L. L हमने निकालना है. So this is the equation number 1. So this is the, now in calculation in secondary circuit. Secondary circuit is this one. This is the secondary circuit. Okay. Now this is the secondary circuit. This is a 0.3, this is 1.2 ohm, or this is 1.5 volt. These are the terminal of the cell. Although this resistance is greater than this one, but I will treat it as an internal resistance because it is with the terminal of the cell CD. Okay, I will not treat it as an internal resistance, although it is smaller than this one. Now what is the current in this circuit? E upon R plus R. What is E? 1.5. What is R? Internal resistance 1.2, or what is external? 0.3. You solve it, it comes out to be 1 ampere. You can take one more step. 1.5 upon 1.5, so on. Now what is the terminal voltage? VCD is equal to E minus V is equal to E minus IR. What is E? E is 1.5, I is 1 or R is 1.2. So it comes out to be 0.3 volt. Now what is the, we have other formula, VC is equal to I into R. I is 1 or R is, this is 0.3 external resistance. This is the external, I treat it as a external resistance, I treat it as a internal resistance. So again it comes out to, so this is now at null point. Now at null point, what happened at null point? These two voltages become equal. VAO is equal to VCD. So what is the voltage across VAO? This is 4 by 5L, or this voltage is 0.3. So L is equal to, now you cross multiply 1.5 upon 4. So L is equal this is 0.3, or this is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 volt per centimeter. So this is comes out to be, you convert, this will be this much of meter. This answer is in meter. You can also convert in centimeter. So 150 by 4 centimeter. So L is equal to, you divide this much. This is the answer. So only technique to solve this problem is, you first you do the calculation in potentiometer circuit, you take it separately, you find the current, then you find the potential gradient. How you get the potential gradient? K is equal to V by L. You find the voltage across the wire and upon its length. You can also take it the centimeter. Okay, so answer will be then directly in centimeter, because I have taken in meter, so it will be in the meter. So VAB is 4 by 5 upon L, so it comes out to be 4 by 5. And now what is the voltage balancing length? AO, then K into L. K is 4 by 5, L is, suppose we have to calculate. Okay, now this is the way by which potential gradient is asked. ये पूछा गया, ये निकाल सकते हैं. Now in the calculation in this circuit you have to calculate terminal voltage. Now you require then another point. This voltage must be equal to this voltage. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the very important. And if it would not be here, this resistance, then terminal voltage, then what happen? I will be 0. Then no current pass through the cell. Okay, here the current is keep on passing even if there is no null point. This is the external resistance and it is a closed path. Current keeps on flowing through the cell. So what will happen? Then current will not be equal to 0, and then VCD will be less than EMF. EMF is 1.5, but VCD comes out to be 0.3. Terminal voltage is less than EMF. But if it will be not here, किसी numerical में ये नहीं है, then no current will pass through here. I will be 0. Then V is equal to E. It will be equal to 1.5. Suppose 0.3 would not be here, then this VCD will be equal to 1.5. So then you can also solve this question. Okay, so these are very important for point of view, potentiometer with numerical point of view. Okay.